Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am creating a tutorial so that you can apply liquid lipstick like a pro. In this tutorial I will teach you how can you get that fuller lips like Instagram. So let's get started. I'm just looking at my highlighter. I've just bought a new highlighter that's by In Color Cosmetic and I'm in love with it. Oh my god, it's such a blinding highlighter. My whole face looks like a disco ball and I like doing that. I have created today pink eye look with cold rimmed eyes. It's a very easy peasy lemon squeezy tutorial. If you want a tutorial on this look right here, please comment down below. I will do it for you all. So let's just do the video. I'm just outlining my lips. First of all thing, where should you outline your lips? Can you see this white line over here? This is the place from where you start lining your lips. I'm taking a nude shade. This is 04 by MN True Lip Liner. They're good matte and they're a bit transfer proof, but they are well matte. I like my lip liners to be matte because I do heavy moisturization of my lips. I never ever scrub my lips with that brutal scrubs which are present for lips. I don't do that. I hate them because I feel that will scratch my lips. I do a simple home remedy. I will share that home remedy for you. That's why I'm not including my lip care kind of thing over here. I'm just sharing the makeup. I have just lined my lips over the places where I have that white gap. Your lips end over here and you still have a white gap over here. You should outline that place and start filling your lips from there. Then only you fill your lips properly, or else it looks like you have left some space between your skin and your lipstick. It looks very bad, trust me. So you should line your lips from this place. One simple trick, if you want that perfect bow, draw a triangle. And I'm just going in very light hands and then intensifying the color. I've created a X over here. If you can see, there's an X over this place. And now I will just connect it. I will actually line my lips over this place also because this is the most tricky place. Now, as I have created a halo effect, like I have just created an X and filled my lips over the corners. Now I will go through very fast steps and just meet this and color whole of my lips. Many people actually just outline their lips and fill with an lipstick. You shouldn't do that. It's do not look pretty. It actually, if you wear a lip liner within it, just like a base, it acts like a base for your lipstick. And if you're wearing a liquid lipstick or a bullet lipstick, you shall wear a lip liner under it. Now doing my upside of my lips, connecting them. If you have noticed in my videos, I do not insert the lipstick steps into it. The reason behind it is this: because I take a lot of time doing my lipstick, lip liner, lipstick, all that. So I do not insert it, or the video would be too long. So I'm making a separate video how I fill my lips or how I do my lipstick. So I have done with my lip liner. Now I will add lipstick. I've just bought Huda's lipstick in brown edition, and trust me, they are inexpensive. They are like 2009. I don't remember the exact price, but per lipstick cost me for 700 and approx 700 or 600, which is affordable for a brand like Huda Beauty, because we get Lakme lipstick at 700, 600, 700. So I think it's affordable. They are the mini version. I'm going on with Venus. I did not use a lipstick from the collection which I bought, the nude collection. This is the old Huda mini lipstick. I bought them when Huda Beauty was not available in India. I just told my friend to bring it for me, and there were like 2-3 colors, and the nude pink collection and the brown collection, nude brown collection, that's known as Abu Dhabi. I'm not sure. Okay, and I think this color looks good on every skin tone, in my opinion. I like this color. This was Huda lipstick in the shade Venus. I think this was from their Abu Dhabi nude range by Huda, and this is how I do my lipsticks. I have taught you how to apply liquid lipstick very easily and get that fuller looks in your lips. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, comment down below, and keep on watching my video. Till then, bye.